Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a crafty haul. This is an order placed at a cherry on top. Some of it is design team work that I picked out, and then the rest was my pre-order for my collection all wrapped up to do December daily. So it is here, and then I have my albums to show you too for December daily, and that will wrap up this video. Okay, so at a cherry on top, Simon Hurley has come out with a new line that is kind of animal themed, and then also new pastes for his neon line. So the neon lunar paste I picked up. Actually, is this one of them? Oh no, yes, it says neon. Okay. I was like, wait a minute. Jaded is like the bright green one. Then we have Limelight, which is the apple green kind of one. Then this one is Charming, which is like the fluorescent purple, which I love. And there were two other colors, but I do already have a like hot pink and another fuchsia color kind of purple from the previous neon release. So there was like an orange and like a red that I was like, I really don't need because I have the hot pink still. So I just wanted cool tones this time. And then he came out with a black astro paste. So it's just the one astro paste. I do have the other colors, not all of them. I have like the gold, the green, the red, and I think blue. I'm looking at my shelf. But black is pretty cool. And then because I like the way it looks so much, there is also a black tie stencil butter, which I hadn't had. And I was like, why not add both to the cart? So that's how these two got to the cart. And then I realized I don't have crackle paste, the opaque one. I think I have no, I don't have crackle paste. And I wanted to play. I took I watched a video with what's her name? Tiffany Solario, and she was doing some fun comparisons between crackle paste, regular texture paste, and grit paste. And I have those other two, but I didn't have crackle, and I was like, add to cart. Let me just play with it too, because now I'm curious. And then, believe it or not, I just don't have the Ranger Black Archival ink. I have other brands, but I don't have this one in my collection. So, once again, just thought, add to cart. So, for the new line from Simon Hurley. So, there's a layering stencil that gets you to look like a cheetah print. Yeah, you see? So, you layer it up, and then it's this one. And it's called Leopard. And then this one is just two separate ones. So, one looks like zebra stripes, and the other one is kind of like a giraffe, I would call it. A giraffe thing is just animal prints. And then this layered one called Geo Leaves. So it's 3 stencils to get a beautiful like leafy pattern. And I was like, that, and the examples were just so cool. And I think that's also why I got like these two. And I was like, I can mix it with something else to get 3 colors of green onto that one, which was pretty cool to me. And then the animal the stamp set is Wild About You, and it's 2 stamps for each animal, or is it 3? It might be 3. So you got like the details and then the coloring and then the details. Oh no, yeah, it's 2. So these 2 on top get you this look. These 2 on top get you this look. And I love animals like this. So at least it's simple, like not too many layers. Like you just need a color in the black and a color in the black. And we'll be making, I don't know, and I bought it because I was like, oh, the cards look so cool. If I can replicate those cards, I'd be happy enough. And then we'll play around with how I can else use it in my art journal and things. So yeah, we're playing with something new. We're going to play with some Simon Hurley stuff. Then I added to my cart, this is the metal die to this stamp set that I did get on one of my last hauls. Hold on one second. Yeah, it's this one. So on my last haul, and I have used it, thank goodness, because I was saying, oh, I haven't even used it. This is Ezra. And so now Ezra Alpha, Ezra Alpha, that's why I got it. This is the die cut for this stamp set. So I was like, oh, there's a die now. Yes, please. So I added it to the cart. These I do have a few of. And so these were stencil and stamp, like mini sets, a little taste to give you a taste, because this stamp set, if it was the full one, that's like $25. I think it came with 4 or 5 of this kind of image. So it just cuts it in half, and then you get 2 kind of stencils on one instead of getting, one that's complete. They were available at Joann's for the longest time, and since Joann's is no longer with us, I do believe he's releasing these sets with Stampers Anonymous to, you know, cherry on top, scrapbook.com. So retailers, Joggles, I know probably has them too. So I wanted this stamp set. If you're familiar with it, I think it does have 4 other big layered ones like that. And so I just seen cool things done with it. So I added it to my cart, and we will play. I haven't played too much with the other ones, but I need to get doing that. And then this is the 12-month memory calendar from Simple Stories. I bought this with a specific thing in mind. If you are familiar, so here's what it is. It's just you can make a calendar and a layout goes on top, and they give you a template for suggestions, and it does come with a certain amount of supplies and all your dates and stuff. However, I bought this specifically because if you've heard of Scrap and Learn, Scrap and Learn is a self-made design team with Andrea, Gloria, Celeste, and I want to say Paige. Is it Paige Evans? I think it might be just those 3 main women. I might be missing one lady. Anyways, they are offering a class in December that is going to use this kit as the base, and 6 different scrapping ladies are going to show you 2 layouts apiece on how to make an awesome calendar for the following year. And I just thought it was so cool. And they had it as a pre-order on Andrea's site with Scrap and Learn. And I could have bought it there, but the class is up to purchase on Lindsay's layouts. I will leave all this information hopefully down below. I remember. So yes, you can pre-order this kit on Andrea's Scrap and Learn site, but you buy the virtual class on Lindsay Layout's website. She has it there. And so the 6 designers are on the thing. And so each designer will do 2 layouts. It sounded fun. I can believe it's $27, $28. Yeah, around there. And to do during December, it'll be fun too. So I picked it up at a cherry on top just because I was placing all this, and in order just to kind of add it to the box, you know, combine shipping, I did that. And then the big haul, well, not the big haul, but just like the rest of my my haul is my pre-order for December daily. So I am not using the Ali Edwards kit. It did not resonate with me this year, so I passed on Ali Edwards, and I am going with All Wrapped Up from Simple Stories. So I got the Collector's Essential Kit, which comes with 1 of each of the 12x12 papers, the 12x12 cardstock stickers, the journal bits and pieces, the chipboard, 6x12 chipboard, and then the simple page pieces all in there. So you have all of the things, okay? And then the chipboard is in there too. And then I got extra sheets of each of the cut apart. So I have another sheet of the 4x6, simply because like if I use one for 4x6, I still liked this pattern paper and I didn't want to lose it. And if I used one for the cut apart of these, a classic just craft and polka dot, I wanted to use it. Definitely going to use all these 3x4s. And once again, just got it in case I wanted to use this one instead, because that always happens to me where I cut it up and then I'm always like, oh, but I really liked this paper, so now I can't use it. So I got 1 extra of each. Then from the rest of the same kit, I did get the foam thickers. So here we are. And I just like the collage-y look of it. I love this extra font. I love the Santa and the collage-y kind of bit look of it all. So we have the foam thickers. I got the sentiments. So once again, we have pretty much the titles that are here. These are going to be flat, are also mostly here. Can I confirm that real quick? Love, joy. Is there joy here? Okay, maybe not necessarily, but it's the same font of the, so the Mary is like here, and then there's Mary. So we have Mary, happy holidays, all is bright, good cheer, celebrate, holly jolly, comfort and joy. So yeah, very cute. Then the bits and pieces. There's all the icons. Love this, the presents and the stockings. There's the good Santa. More of those elements and the icons. And again, I guess for me too. So for me, when I'm doing, this is going to be, you know, I've used Ali Edwards for 5 years. This is going to be a little different for me. But based on how I've been scrapbooking this year with making the cohesive albums for my summer. I did the one with the flower shop. I did last year's summer album too. I just want to have a cohesive album that I will put together rather soon. That way when December comes, I can just print photos and keep the ball rolling. I also got the big bits. So these are the elements that are just larger in size. I love the poinsettia. I love the little cardinal, and I love the Santa and the tree. I like them all. And the shocking and the little thing and the lights. Yeah, this one was a good one. So I was like, add to cart. And then I got the 6x8 because I will be doing a 6x8 album. And so we have the pages all just smaller. So that will be December daily, as well as I picked up these numbers, even though I did pick up another number set. I believe they're in my last haul from 49 and Market. They were just a good classic one, but this one was not from this collection. It was from the Believe. Yeah. Simple Vintage Believe. And it was just a classic number. And I was like, you know what? I can use those in my album because this collection did not come with the number. So that is what I'm using. And then because I needed to get an album and I didn't still like Allie Edwards albums this year and I still wanted to do 6x8, I bought two from Citrus Twist. These are the nearly perfect albums. So I got, this one's called Spruce, which is like the hunter green, which I do believe goes best with it. It's coming out really dark on camera right now. It's a little bit lighter. I mean, it's hard to see. It's a little bit, it is like a true green. And then they got this one, which is Candy Apple, or Apple, I believe it's just called. And while I do like red for the holidays, this red is just, you know, like a little too bright compared to what is in the kit. So I was like, like I could do it, but I think I'm going to go with the green one. And I know I can use the red for like an All About Me album again. And then actually red still helps me complete my rainbow on my shelf because I didn't have it. And that's the first color in the rainbow. So we most likely will be going with the like hunter green color. It does already come with page protectors. And we will be making December daily with that. And that is everything, my sweets. So it was just cherry on top and then my Citrus Twist.